Electromagnetic flow meter with an accuracy of 0.3% Fs. It boasts strong resistance to fluid disturbances and zero drift during long-term operation, covering pipe diameter from DNS6 to DN2400. It supports split-type integrated and insert-type installations, making it suitable for high temperature, high pressure, and high corrosive scenarios. It adopts a standard meter method calibration system with a flow range of 0.1 to 10,000 cubic meter per hour. Extreme environments ranging from -40 degree to 250 degree are simulated. A 24-hour aging test is conducted to ensure stability. In petrochemical, municipal water affairs, food, pharmaceutical, and metallurgical mining industries always help customers optimize process, reduce energy consumption, and improve efficiency with reliable performance. Empower industrial progress with technological innovation and win global trust and ingenuity and quality. Choose Dongpeng, choose precision and peace of mind. Thank you.